I'm just hoping that I don't run into cops, man. Because I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna explain a long ass pole in my car. Like, what do I say?
Oh shit, here we go again.
This is my 2015 Lexus RCF, and as you guys can tell, I just got this shit washed. Yo, this shit was really, really dirty and murky. I woke up at 6 a.m. today. I don't know why. I guess like I KO'd. I must have KO'd super early, but I woke up hella early. I went to the gym, and I had a lot of time on my hands. So I washed the car, and I set the GoPro up in the back. Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. This might be my new favorite thing, because yo, first of all, it makes the car look sick. Now, yes, I am bound to get pulled over eventually. Now, I don't, when that happens, I don't know what my excuse is gonna be. I'm really, really, really excited for the footage that is coming out of this. But yeah, guys, just a walk around of the car. This is for the folks who are new. If you are not new, like, you've seen this car like 1,000 times. Yo, this shit looks hella clean right now. It looks mad clean right now. Yeah, that's the setup. I think as I'm changing lanes, I shouldn't smack into anyone. Tighten that bad boy, make sure it's not going anywhere. And we are good. And yeah, so this is it. This might have been the greatest investment. Actually, I'm lying, but this is for a fact one of the best investments I've done for this channel. It's not even for the car, you know. It's for the channel. And yeah, now as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, this video is actually a point of view drive, but it's a bit different. And I just figured that you guys would actually appreciate this and love this, so that's why I got the setup. So this is actually my first time using, it's great. So this is my first time using this GoPro Max 360, and I just figured, why not I try? Keyword is try. Why not I try to record a different type of point of view for you guys? So this is it. This is for sure it. Shit, damn. Why'd you gotta park like this, bro? And alright guys, as I was saying, this is for sure a new setup for me. This is my first time having this GoPro Max 360 outside on my car. It's a bit sketchy. I paid a lot of money for it. Hopefully it does not fly off on the highway. If you guys are seeing this video, right, that means the GoPro did not fly off on the highway. If you are not seeing the video, that probably means it flew off on the highway, and I just lost $500. Well, technically $350 because I got it on sale. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment. But it's pretty much going to just be a point of view drop. I'm probably not going to go that fast because of obvious reasons. I don't want it flying off, even though I'm pretty sure this setup is pretty good. Yep. And boom, we got our eyes on the GoPro, so I don't have to constantly look back. Oh my gosh, bro. So fucking helpful. How we doing? Yeah, we still good. Nah, yo, this is an OP setup. I am kind of scared to get on the highway, but honestly, if it survives the highway, then I know that this could survive almost anything.
Baby girl, I just wish you answer. Maybe one day I'ma get the chance to take it. Way back, lately I've been stuck inside this matrix. Devil on my shoulder and he steady tryna break me. I'm fighting this anxiety, my demons steady chasing. My true love, she the part of it, yeah, it's been breaking me. I'm taking all this money and it's breaking me. But I face the pain, face the pain, face the pain, face the pain.
If you guys fuck with that song, right? It's called Faded by Jay from the X. It's fire as shit. Honestly, it's one of my favorite songs, y'all. And we are about to pass some traffic, so that means it's time to actually obtain some nice clips. Seems like we might have to adjust the camera. Currently, there's no spots to pull over. Oh my gosh. So I gotta fix that. I'm not sure if you guys can see this camera, but like, this is exactly what I mean. I could keep an eye on the camera without constantly looking at my rear view mirror. Or turning back, bro. Bro, I love this camera. Remember guys, if you guys want one, it's sold by Red Tiger, and you can use my code, my first name, 20 for 20% off. It's time to continue this freaking drive. I gotta just merge on the damn highway. It's gonna be interesting. But I must say guys, this is hella sketch though. I'm just hoping that I don't run into cops, man. Because I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna explain a long ass pole in my car. Like, what do I say? I don't know what the fuck I would say. Yeah, guys, it's like, how do I explain myself? Yeah, you know, officer, I'm just filming. Shit's crazy. I mean, so far so good. It's hanging on well. But yeah, but I'm not, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna do anything over 100, honestly, because it's still mad sketch. I mean, it's still holding up well though. Just FYI, guys, FYI. I got some people giving me looks. Yo, I mean, it's quite interesting. I know that a lot of people are like, what the fuck is this man doing? Yo, guys, I'm just doing me. You feel me? Yo, guys, this fucking scenery is beautiful as shit. And the main reason why I'm doing this type of video is because I have never ever seen anyone do this type of video with an RCF. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be the first. Now, I have seen someone do it on Instagram, but I mean, like, I haven't seen anyone do it on YouTube, like a full video. So I was like, fuck it, I might as well. So something annoying just happened, right? My GoPro was never recording me on the fucking highway, so we have to hop on the highway again because, you know, all of this would not be in vain. I refuse. So fuck it. It's time to go again once more. Honestly, I don't mind. It's more about, I just hope this shit does not die, because this shit was just at 80 something. No, actually not even 80 something. Most likely at 100%. Then as soon as I take it out for like half an hour, it's at 36. So clearly the batteries on this thing is not the best. But I knew that. I'll keep it on my head. Hey. Yes, I do, sir. I think it's in my pocket, sir. Yeah, I got you. Right.
And the registration of the car?
Yes. I believe it's in the...
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, sure.
Is this your car?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Pretty loud exhaust there.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
should get that taken care of, and you shouldn't have any tints near the screen.
Yes, sir. For the tints, I have an exemption for the tints.
Do you have that with you?
Yes, I do.
Can I see that?
Oh, shoot. I just forgot where... Okay, there it is.
A DMV exemption?
Yes, sir.
So just stay in your car, I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Of course. Yes, sir. Of course.
It's going to be a straightaway up ahead.
Yeah.
Let's go over there. This is a curve. It's not...
Yeah, yeah,
it's gonna be
yeah.
there.
Yeah,
I'll
of
be
course.
right behind you.
All right.
I'll let you know where to stop.
All right. Should I stay on this lane or should I?
Go on to
try-
the left,
All
to
right.
the lane
Got it.
there.
Got it.
I'll be right behind.
All right. Of course. I got you. This is actually a few hours of me being pulled over. I went straight home after that, and I just got to edit in this video. It took me like 8 hours. But a little background, right? As I was driving, like I was kind of in the zone, and I was like passing a few cars, like only passing. And I was paying attention to my Spotify. I had Waze open, but then I opened up Spotify to change my songs. Then after that, like obviously I wasn't paying attention to Waze because Spotify was open, and before I knew it, fuck, a cop. So that's what happened. I know that a lot of you guys are going to say that a radar detector. Yes, if I had a radar detector, it would have probably alerted me, but that's probably the next investment. But yeah, it costs to play this game, and I'm not mad. It is what it is. But on that note, y'all, catch you in the next video. Peace.